curved figures are curves formed, and they're not using line segments. And a pretty common curved figure is a circle. And a circle has a definition, set of all points in a plane, so we're keeping it two-dimensional, that have the same distance from the center. And we'll call that the center point. So we have the center point, and we measure out the same distance. The radius happens to be this distance. So the radius on a circle goes from the center to an edge on the circle. So notice no matter where I go, those points that are going that same distance are landing on the circle, i.e. forming the circle. The diameter is going to connect 2 points of the circle through the center. So my diameter then would be the length of a radius and another radius. So in other words, it is 2r. Because it goes to the center, the radius is from the center. A chord connects 2 points on the circle, not necessarily through the center. There's my center point. Here's a chord. It's connecting 1 point on the center to, on the circle, excuse me, to another. The tangent is a line that intersects the circle. But that's going to be at a single point. So the tangent line is going to connect, hits 1 point right there. So we call that a tangent line. And there will be infinitely many tangent lines, but it can only hit the circle with 1 point. An arc is just part of the circle. So if I have a circle and I've labeled this A, this B, and I would just want this part of my circle, A, B, and we draw a little half circle, a little arc over it. Now that's if it's less than half the circle. If I want this arc, I've got to have a point here that would label arc A, C, B, and that would give me the arc that's labeled in blue. So that concludes the lecture on curved figures.